Hello friends who like to find a better way. In this video, I am going to show you two Outlook calendar settings that might not be familiar to you. The first one I actually did earlier today, and it made me think, I wonder if other people know this trick. I like to print my daily calendar each day. Yes, I print it each day. I haven't gone completely electronic yet, but there's something for me about seeing my whole day at once, not having to scroll, that I just prefer. Plus, it gives me a place to capture new things that come up during the day so I can incorporate them into my calendar or into my to-do system. So I like to print my daily calendar each day. By default, the daily calendar prints based on what you have set in options as your start end time for your day. So if you're not familiar with that, we can go to File, Options, and click on Calendar, and here's where you can establish your start and end time of your typical workday. So for me, I have morning events, I have evening gigs, so my calendar is my whole day. You can change that to be whatever you might want it to be. There's lots of things you can change there. So that may be your first aha, though that is not my intention for today. So my typical day is 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. However, I wanted my printout of my daily calendar to actually include 6 a.m. Sometimes I have to travel. I'm trying to get in the habit of exercising before I really start my day, trying to get that on my calendar, those kinds of things. So what I want to do is change what my printout looked like. So when I go into Print Preview for my calendar, or you can go to File, Print Preview, however you want to get there. This is what mine looks like now because, like I said, I changed it earlier. But regardless of what calendar option you prefer over here, whether it's daily, weekly, whatever you're printing, I want to show you that you can change it. So I'm going to go into Print Options, and here I can choose those same options. And I'm going to, like I said in my example, I've got daily style selected. So I'm going to click on page setup. And here's where I can make some alterations to that. So what I did was come in here and say, I want you to print from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Now the little arrows don't line up for some reason on my Outlook. I don't know why, but this arrow goes with the 6 a.m. So I adjusted it here. I chose 6 a.m. And if I wanted to make it stop sooner, I can choose the drop down arrow and choose 8 p.m. And there are other settings that you can see here. You can change some of your fonts. You can change whether or not you have a notes area. Like I said, I like to have this blank notes area because I capture things on there. If you want it lined, you could do that. So we'll check lined, or you could turn them both off and not have them shown at all. So you can modify your page setups when you are printing a calendar. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to go ahead and click Preview so that you can see what my changes look like. So now I've got a blank area, I've got a lined area for notes, and my day is set to end at 8 p.m. My time slots run out at 8 p.m. So that's the first aha you may have, is that you can change your print settings. The other thing, especially if you're looking at this, you may think, boy, my calendar doesn't look like that. Well, the second aha I wanted to share with you was just to make sure everybody was aware that when you're looking at your calendar electronically and on your screen, you have control over that time scale. You can adjust it specifically up here. And say, I recently changed this as well. By default, I think it's 30 minutes, and that's what I'd always had. But I don't like scrolling. So I didn't like having to scroll up and down to see if I had something in the evening, etc. So I finally came in here and changed it to 60 minutes so that I can see my entire day in one screen, whatever I have going on. I am showing you a blank calendar. I had stuff going on today. I'm showing you a blank calendar. So you can control it up here from time scale. And then my aha as I was preparing this video is you can also control it down here with the little zoom slider tool. If you just click the plus button, it will increase those increments. Oh, I didn't click the plus button. I clicked too far on the zoom slider. I can drag it back, or I can use this minus to get real small, use the plus to increment it at a slower pace. I went from half hour to 15 minute Now I don't know what I'm at, but it's more than 15 minutes, etc. So either way, I like up here because I don't have to work so hard. I want it at 60 minutes. So anyway, those are my ahas for you today. I hope you had at least one aha, and be sure and like this video if you did. If you want to leave a comment, I'd love to hear that too. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel or to my newsletter so you can get these ahas delivered directly to your inbox. Thanks again for watching. I hope it helps.